Hey guys, what's up and welcome to product unboxing. And for today's video, as you can see, we are going to be unboxing this Access Steam from Tefal. This is a portable steamer, so it has a board included and it's up to 30 grams per minute, and it has a heated steam head, and it's ready within 40 seconds. So this is what it should look like when you use it. So this is an international guarantee, and also I think this is the instruction manual, yep, and different languages. So Tefal is a French brand, and this is just a dust bag. I think this is the thing you hang on the wall, I believe, something like that. I think it's something like that. So I think this is the board. This thing is like that. I'm not really sure how to fix this. I'll figure it out later. So this is the steamer. So it's like that, and then so that's what it looks like. Steam power. And then we have here the different heads that you can attach. It just depends what you're trying to steam, what you're trying to iron. So this is for the sensitive fabric. This is what you use, this is what you attach here, like this. So it's not too harsh on the garment and you're not gonna damage it. And this for like fabric like jeans, something like thicker, so you put it like these, like that. And yeah, thanks guys for watching.